So, it's a cold November day, it's wet. How do we keep our gear dry off the damp floor? Here's a couple of different tricks. So the first thing that we're going to do is get one of our sticks. So now we need to make sure that the stick actually will cover the length of your shoulder straps. And then all we'll then do is put both loops through the stick, like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them through the Y, and then this stick then acts as a locking mechanism, and then it'll allow the weight of my bag is going to secure that. Next, get the other stick, push it through where that loop is, and then if I pull on it, the other stick's actually got it secured, and then put my shoulder straps over. And there, I've got a good foot or so off the ground, and then it's at a decent height where I can actually just crouch down or stand up to be able to get my gear out of my bag. The next one is bowline, length of paracord, but there is no bowline on the other side. Okay, it's just a free running end. That can go around and through the bowline knot. And I'm just going to secure that up like so, and then have my stick to hand. This next bit I'm going to do the maul and spike hitch. So stretch out my paracord, and I'm then going to create a loop. I'm going to lie that loop over it, and then I'm going to pull it through. So I've got a hole here. Then I'll then put my stick through, and then when it comes under tension, it locks itself off. And then there you have it, 2 different ways to keep your gear off the damp ground. Go out and give it a go. I'll see you next time.